Alright y'all, in today's video we are working on the new front porch. We are doing a fall Halloween theme, so make sure you stick around. It's going to be awesome.
He's out here blowing the horn, folks. He's fixing to get it this morning.
Alright guys, so if you tell somebody a certain time to be there and you're there and they're not ready, that's just rude.
It's 8:03. You told me you'd be there at 8 o'clock.
It is 8:03, 8 o'clock. So comment down below, do you think that's rude if you tell somebody to be there at a certain time and they're not? They're with these shenanigans and this and they're not ready?
No chit chat. Let's get a little more pit pat. Let's go.
Comment down below.
Alright. Tell them what we got here, Tara.
I don't like that. Sorry.
Edit. We got a strikeout, so all they got is plastic at
Home Depot, Lowe's.
At Lowe's, so we're gonna go to Home Depot. They do got metal, but she don't like the colors. You want what color?
I want black. Picky.
Okay, well, let's go see if we can find it.
Alright guys, another swing and a miss. All they have is the plastic and they have silver, but the other place has charcoal gray, so we're gonna probably go there.
Okay, decorator, what are we gonna do?
$44.98 and those are $39, so it ain't much difference.
So
This
The price ain't the problem, it's the color.
3 by 17 by 8 foot.
Yeah.
It's $44 a sheet.
yeah.
How many sheets do we need?
Well, we'll figure that out, but do you want silver or gray is the question.
Yep, that's the
I
main
think the gray
thing.
looks closer to the.
Yeah.
I think that would be too. I don't know.
Too
shiny.
much, too shiny?
Yeah.
Alright guys,
Because
we'll
I
be back
wanted
in a
matte
minute.
black.
Well,
You want one handed? No.
Alright guys, we're back.
Third time.
Charcoal gray, we'll see how it looks.
Or possibly
We're
white.
not sure if they had the ridge caps on. Fingers crossed.
what's up, folks? So you guys think I should have a YouTube channel? Well, here's a little surprise. I do. Calabash Digger Adventures. I'm a metal detecting expert, and I scuba dive and chase artifacts. So I'm not, a stranger to the cameras. That's why I'm so comfortable. No, edit.
No, that was good. That was good.
But yeah, guys. So I do have a channel, but
Make sure you check it out. There you go.
Put that in there.
Yeah, that's why I know how to. Oh, you notice Chuck run over. I got him some gloves to protect his little hands,
Precious.
but he didn't get Papa no gloves. What's up with that?
Yeah,
Narcissistic much?
Tara is the one that was 24
I got
days.
Pop some gloves.
We got the cutters. Let's go, guys. Oh, we do need one more thing. We need some safety goggles because I make, running that skill saw blade. So.
In the well I dug myself, 'cause I fell under that spell. And the fireflies in the sky spelled my name in lights. All the hope I just can't see while I'm hurting and bleeding. But the help is on its way, way too late. I will survive. I will find a lifeline. I will survive. And you'll beg yourself to see me one more time.
I'm getting too old for this kind of crap. All right, guys, we're gonna pull a mark right here, 36 inches. We know that we're gonna put that inside edge of the 10. We'll get one at the top and we'll keep that one right there, and that way we'll be straight coming down, and the overhang will look really nice and professional. Guys, we got Chuck up in the roof, man. What do you think about this little gig?
Down here?
Yeah, yep, we're gonna run with it. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna meet Chuck up top here, so I'm getting too old and fat for this type stuff. So we're gonna look at it, and we're gonna get it done here, boys.
Hi, you are currently recording.
Gonna slide it right in that groove there. Cut edges up, right? Nope, it's not. Turn it right around. I'm gonna turn it right around. Okay. So what I need you to do is I need you to hold that piece and hand me the drill. See
Yeah,
what?
she's good here, flat and even.
Flat and even? Well, I'm gonna tack it off right here then. Don't let it move. Just hold on. Hold still. Just hold still. There you go. Bam! That's it right there. I'm trying to hang on, hold the camera, film him crying, and you know, this whole deal up here, so. Let's get with it. Let's go back to Lowe's. All right, last piece on this side, guys. Let's see how it all works out. Should. Is that money? Put some screws in it. Huh? Guess what he did, Tara?
No. What do you do?
Dude, the whole sheet is gonna work.
He cut it too short?
He cut his finger because he took his gloves off.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Not bad.
All that crying he did, he cut his finger.
Tell them to go on Walnut Comics and leave a like.
Nobody wants to watch your comments.
I don't know how many of these people are comic book fans. Chucky Chuck.
Hey, is anybody on here comment?
Go to my channel, Walnut Comics, and watch the short I just did with me and Noah. It's very funny. Just check it out. It's so funny.
Okay, dude, quit plugging your channel on Tara's channel. That's enough of that bull malarkey. Can't have nobody guest appearances on here. They want to plug Calabash Digger Adventures.
Yeah.
Chuck, you gonna do anything today? All right, check it out, guys. Look at that ridge cap going on right there. Oh yeah. All right, guys, you see what's going on here? She's got a beautiful porch. She's actually doing a live stream where I'm trying to film a video. So
if you're watching right now and you're watching the live, you're on the channel right now, so be cool.
All right, so what's the game plan in the so for the video, I'm all confused, guys. So she's gonna decorate. Yeah. You're gonna decorate, right?
If I have time, Pop.
And then you come up with another idea that we'll do another video on awnings.
Yeah, since we got the leftover
We'll pop up a picture real quick of the awnings, the how she wants it.
It's going right here.
Right now.
All it is it's a piece of wood out like that and another one to hook it to the house and put the metal on top of it.
That'd be perfect.
Come on, Chuck.
Yeah, Chuck.
One awning.
Yeah, Chuck.
Listen to this.
Yeah, Chuck. You can do it on the little one.
But we don't have no wood.
Oh, he said we don't have no wood. Let me.
You guys listen to this argument going on.
Let's just see about
They're live arguing. Can you believe this?
Say that again.
What'd you say?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Don't start being all nicey nice now.
That was Park in the Garden Center.
What'd you tell them again?
Stop recording.
edit.
All right, guys. So we made it to Lowe's. We've done our part with the roof. Now Tara's gonna take over with the decorating.
This is Noah that I was talking about. It's so pretty.
Look at the camera,
Show
Noah.
him. Tell him you got a softball game.
She got a softball game, so we're kind of crunched on time. But we're gonna get the stuff we need so she can decorate. So I done my part. So it's time for her part to get.
All right, let's go. Let's go see your magic.
All right.
Yeah. All right, guys. Check these mums out right here. What?
Those are the 2 colors. Look at that, Pops, with the different colors. Oh, that's pretty.
This is 3 different. I don't know if this is thine or it's supposed to be orange. That's 3 colors. That is wicked right
Feel
there.
it. No, do
That
this.
is so cool.
No,
It's
do
like
that
a
if you love
pillow.
me. It is. Scott, you gotta feel it.
Come feel it real quick. It's like a pillow.
So cool.
Just come feel it. Be like that. No, deep. Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Oh, that's nice.
We're doing
The question is, are we going to get one for $29? Comment down below. Would you pay $29 for a flower that's probably going to die?
Let's find some cheaper ones.
That was Tara's face when she seen a mum cost $30.
Pro tip of the day: always get a buggy for your items.
I want one of these skeleton stuff. Yeah, he's gonna sit on the bed.
There you go. Get him.
Load them up,
I don't know how much is the leather thing. We'll get that guy. Well, most of our pumpkins are the booze. There's a bunch of moms.
11? Yeah, that's gonna look good. That's a good choice right there. I think those.
I like the little baskets.
Yeah.
I like the baskets.
We're going with the farmhouse vibe. Fall.
Fall look. All right, guys.
/ Halloween.
That's what she's got so far.
Let's see what Noah's finding. Like that's pretty.
That one right there.
That was okay. You're right. That one's look big and
Healthy.
all right. What else you see?
No. Okay, definitely.
So just 2 of these. Oh, and that's him, isn't it, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's him.
Yeah, this one. That one's too big.
Yeah, that's him.
30 foot off. We'll put him on the chair.
That'd be cool. That'd be cool.
Or should we not show him this?
Yeah, some stuff you gotta leave as a secret.
Okay.
Is that the one you're getting?
So, or do you like
Quiet, lest he awaken the Kraken. He'll be monsters. He draws near.
These Bluetooth speakers.
Alright, come check me out.
What y'all doing? Pushing your channel here in Lowe's?
Yeah, go to YouTube, play that in your phone.
Alright, yeah.
We gonna put you on it too. That okay?
That's fine. Hello.
Hey, this is a nice lady at the garden center.
Alright guys, so we got all the stuff. Now it's time to let her do her magic. Stay tuned guys, you don't want to miss.
Gotta just grab her. Can't show him everything. Marky's so pretty. Use stuff around your house.
Yeah, but you look towards who's coming here. Oh, that's plenty of room.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, excuse the front door. Next video, we're going to take this door out and put a new one in the mobile home. We'll show you how to do it. Pops is going to help us, so comment down below. Pops.
Pops rules.
Pops rules. I'm just moving up.
Whoa.
Creative differences, folks. Chuck, did you say you was always right?
You look stupid where you at. Do what?
Look at behind the thing. What? I don't remember.
Creative differences, folks. Creative differences.
True. Alright, we're almost. Alright, guys, I'm really the decorator. She just don't know it.
Oh, I know.
All right, guys. So we're finally finished. What you think, baby? The whole thing.
We love it.
You love it?
Look at these moms.
Nice. Them moms, you gotta touch them. Touch them with them. Yeah. I wish y'all could touch them. Can't really touch them on camera, but go to Lowe's and then look. If it's $29, that's the right one. Just touch it. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, so the project altogether like $2,000. Well worth it. That's decorations.
That's everything.
Everything. Pops helped us out so much. I mean, I could not have done it without him. So lucky to have him in our life. He's awesome. Anyways,
Sorry about that.
We got a ring. It kind of records everything. So next project is going to be the door and...
Yeah, we're getting a new glass door and we're going to add awnings to the window to coincide with the roof. We got some extra roofing, so we might as well use it. Yeah. So Pops is going to help us with that, so you will be seeing him again.
Yeah, so comment down below if you enjoy him on the channel. He really, like I said, helped us out a lot.
He's a natural.
Yeah, he's a natural. He just knows his stuff. I know some stuff, but you know, when I don't know and I kind of get messed up, he helps me out. Anyways, so that's kind of it for today, guys. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out Pops' channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check my channel out if you want to. But that's it, guys. Y'all have a good one. Peace.